Hello friends, my name is Ajay Khod. Today topic is string buffer and string builder in Java. First one is the string buffer. String buffer is the per classes of the string and provided much of the functionality of the strings. The string of the represent fixed the length of the unmutable characteristic sequence. Will string buffer is the sequence will be string buffer represent the variable and the writable characteristic sequence. String buffer is may have a characteristics and the substring of the insert in the middle or the obtain to the end. It will be automatically grow up to make room for the such addition and obtain as the more characteristics were located up than the actually needed to the along the room for the growth. And do keep the back of the applying so which are the follows. First one is the Java long string buffer extended or insert from the object classes. All interfaces of the string buffer classes serializable on characteristic sequence. And third point is the public final classes string buffer extended object serializable and characteristic sequence. Fourth point is the string buffer are saved or used by the multiple threaded of the method can be serialized whenever necessary so that all the operation on the particular instance we have the across the same serial order. And sixth point is the whenever an operation across the source of the sequence such as the appending on inserting form of the sources sequence, this classes is the serialized the only one the string buffer of the performing the operation not on the source. And second point is the string builder. A string is the sequence of the characteristics in Java object of the string are unmutable, which means the constant and cannot be changed once carried. Utilize the string is one of the important polymers required as the per. With the deeper of the understanding for the no, we have will be justify the let so do consider the below the code with the three connection function with the three different type of the parameter string buffer and string builder. Let's as the clear out of the understanding between then the why a single Java program belong from the we will be during the conclusion from the output generated to the figure out difference between the string versus string builder versus string buffer in Java. The string builder in the Java represents the multiple sequence of the characteristics since the string classes in Java create the unmutable sequence of the characteristics. The string builder classes is provided the alternative to the string classes as it is the carried a mutable sequence of the characteristics. The function of the string builder is the very much similar to the string buffer classes as both the provided and the alternative to the string classes by making a mutable sequence of the characteristic. However, the string builder classes differs from the string buffer classes on the basis of the serialization of the string builder classes provided to the of the serialization. However, and the string buffer classes does therefore the classes is the designed for use of the drop in the replacement of the string buffer in place where the string buffer as the beginning used by the single threaded as is generally the case where possible it is the that this classes is used in the performance to the string buffer is as it will be faster and undermost the installation of the string buffer builder are not safe or use of the multiple threaded. If such of the serialization is required, then that is the string buffer is used. Difference between string buffer and string builder. First point is the at a time of only one thread is located to the operation string buffer is object since the string builder object is the thread shape and string builder. First point, it a thread of the multiple threaded is along to the operator of the string builder object and since the string buffer object is not thread shape. And second point, it is the increase the waiting of the time of the threaded and the increase the efficiency, and threaded are the not required to the weight of the operation on the string builder object, and the increase the performance is the high. Thank you.